I've made millions of dollars with dropshipping, and I recently helped a complete beginner with no experience go from zero to over $2,000 a day. So today, I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it so you can launch your first store this year. Now, there are 6 steps that I follow when I'm starting any new store. First, we're gonna build our store 100% with AI. We're gonna set up our Shopify account. We're gonna find a winning product together live, customize our store, make our ads, and get everything ready to make our first sales. Now listen, I've been dropshipping all the way back since 2017, and I can tell you firsthand that the game has changed a lot. AI has simplified pretty much every single step of the process, making it easier than ever to start for complete beginners. And we're gonna be able to use free AI tools for pretty much every single step of the process, from product research, store design, all the way out to ads creation. And with this, I'm pretty confident that we'll be able to set everything up live in just under an hour. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is get our store up and running. And by far the best tool to do this is called Build Your Store. It's the first place I go when starting a new store because it will help you get your first store launched in under 5 minutes with pretty much all of the essentials. Now listen, it's not a fully finished store that you can go and start making sales with immediately, but trust me when I say that it's gonna save you literally hours of time from setting things up on your own. So this is why we always start here first. Let me show you how it works. So if you click on the first link in the description, it's gonna take you to this website here where we can click on Build My Free Store. And in a couple minutes, we'll have everything set up. So let me walk you through this. So first, you're gonna put in your full name, then you're gonna fill in your email, and then you can just go ahead and create a password. All right, so once you do this, it's gonna start doing everything, building your store in the background. Now, it's gonna ask you to pick a different niche. You can choose whatever you want. I recommend picking something that you're familiar with. We're gonna be changing a lot of this up anyways. So for now, we're just gonna click on sports and fitness. We'll go ahead and click done. Then it's gonna ask you to do some sort of customization like the banners. We'll pick one that looks decent. Probably this one here is the best one. We're gonna change most all of this anyways, so don't worry too much about it. This is just to get your essential store set up. So after this, you need to set up your own Shopify account. You're actually going to be able to do this for free. And at the end of your free trial, you're only gonna have to pay $1 for your subscription. So I'm gonna go through the process real quick and set up my Shopify account and come back when it's finished. All right, so the store is officially set up. And as you can see, as a starter store, it looks decent. We have a frequently asked questions page, we have track your order page, we have a contact us page. These things, if you set them up on your own as a beginner, would have taken you 1 to maybe 3 hours, but we've got all this ready to go in just under 5 minutes. So just like that, we've already checked off the first 2 steps of the process. But if we take a look at this store here, it's very apparent that this is not ready to make money yet. I mean, it's full of placeholder content and everything feels sort of generic. Even though we have all the essentials and we have a functional store, we need to get this thing ready for launch. And the first and most important part of that process is finding a great product. So let's find one together. Every product that I've made money with had 3 traits in common. And before you start hunting for product ideas, it's super important that you understand what makes up a winning product. You need to know this before you get started. First, the product must be trending and recently going viral. We don't want to sell products that are dead or products that were hot years ago. The absolute best case scenario is to find products right as they are just starting to catch a buzz and capitalize on them before it's too late. And I'm going to demonstrate this for you guys live in just a couple of seconds. 2, it needs to be something that is unique and hard to find in stores. Keep in mind, we're going to be selling these products directly on social media to people who have never heard of us before. So to catch their attention, the product has to really have that wow factor and be something that they can't find everywhere else. And third, most importantly, the product has to solve a real problem and add value to the customer's lives. We need to stay away from any gimmicky or cheesy products like toys and games. We want to find stuff that fixes core insecurities and problems in people's everyday lives. For example, one of my companies, Hears, did over $5 million last year in sales, selling earplugs for concerts and music festivals. And this product fits all 3 of the criteria that I spoke about above. Ear health has been a huge trend and something that people are becoming increasingly currently aware of. You can't find this version of our product in the stores, and this problem is massive with people getting tinnitus every single day. The product's a hit. Or another example, I sold $2 million worth of a sleep mask that had built-in headphones. This was a super unique product that fixed a massive problem, and I profited from it. So now that you understand what makes up a great product, let me show you how to find one for free. There are tons of paid tools out there to find products, and I'm actually gonna show you one that I really like in just a minute. But if you're on a low budget, this is the best way to find products for free. This is actually how I found that sleep mask that I was just talking about. It's called the burner method. Basically, what you wanna do is go on your Facebook account. What I recommend is going on the Facebook account of your sister or your mom. If you're a guy, I recommend using a girl's account because girls typically get better ads, and literally just scroll every single day on their feed until you find different product ideas. For example, we have right here a once daily supplement that helps with hair loss. And as you can see, I've already been on this method. Every time you see a product, you want to like it, you want to go to the comments, you want to leave a little comment, you want to go to their website. And what this does is it's telling Facebook that you are an engaged shopper. It's telling Facebook that you are interested in buying products on their platform. So what are they going to do? They're going to send you a bunch more products. And as you'll see when we scroll here, my sister's feed is extremely optimized. We are getting products every 2 or 3 scrolls. And the problem with this method, of course, is that you have to scroll through a lot of Facebook slop, like this picture of this middle-aged lady here. But once you get through the fat, you're going to be finding some good stuff like your boy here on the feed. You'll be able to find good products. You'll be able to find good ideas. This is the method that I recommend for people who are on, here's another one, for people who are on an extremely low budget. But if you have some money, the paid methods are better. When I'm starting a new store, I pretty much always use the paid method I'm about to show you because I don't have the patience to scroll through all the garbage of Facebook, and I like to have some control in my product research. So yeah, let me show you my preferred method to find products in 2026. It costs a little bit of money, but it's worth it. So unless you've been living under a rock, I'm sure you guys have all heard about TikTok Shop. If not, it's an online shopping platform where you can buy products directly inside the TikTok app. This platform is absolutely amazing for finding winning products because they show you the exact amount of units that have been sold. And there are more products being sold on TikTok Shop every single day. Now we can go on their website itself, but it's very limited in the data. You'll just be able to see how many units were sold. You'll just be able to see the price. But if we use a TikTok Shop spy tool, we'll be able to get all the data on these products. Now look, there's a bunch of these spy tools out there. I've tested pretty much all of them. The most popular one that almost everybody uses is so expensive. It's almost $100 a month just to use their platform. But AutoDS actually rolled out a TikTok spy platform that's insanely good. And if you're looking for one of these tools, I recommend using theirs. You can get started with it for literally $1. And as you'll see inside of their platform, not only can you see the units sold, but you can see the total units sold. You can see the total earnings of the product, and you can even track the trends of the product, which is extremely important for us. Not only that, but you can filter it by different dates. You can filter it by which products got the most sales in the last 7 days. This is a great platform if you want to get real data on the products that are crushing. So now I'm going to take the winning product criteria that I gave you before, do some research, and try to find us something decent. So after doing some research, this is the product that I found. It is an at-home Pilates reformer. And I don't know about you guys, but I've been seeing Pilates blowing up everywhere. These girls are spending thousands of dollars a year to do this hobby, and this allows them to do it at home, which means they're gonna be saving a lot of money, and that's solving a huge problem for them. I've also never really seen something like this for sale at the stores. So this is the type of product that we would like to sell. If you look right here in the last 7 days on TikTok, it sold just over 1,000 units. And this means that it's not overly selling. It's not completely saturated, but there is some demand and people are starting to buy it. But even if we're unsure of the potential of the product, that's where AI comes in. What we're gonna do now is show our product to ChatGPT and ask ask it to validate it for us. In the past, if you wanted to see if this product was gonna work, you would have to go on Facebook and spend hundreds of dollars of your own money just to get an idea. But now we can use AI to do extremely deep research on our products before we launch. And I'm telling you, this is going to save you from making so many mistakes. So inside of ChatGPT, I wrote this simple prompt, which I'll give you guys access to for free in the description. And what we're trying to do is validate the potential of this product. We want to evaluate it based on market demand, competitors, profitability, etc. And then it will ask us some more questions about the product and immediately get to work on deep analysis. Now, I have ChatGPT Pro, so I'm able to do this deep research. You don't have to use it, but it definitely spits out better results. And as you can see, after 6 minutes of research, it came back with this comprehensive report on the potential of this product. Now, we're not gonna read through all of this. That would be super boring, but you could for your product, of course. What I wanna do is fast forward to the end here, and you'll see that it takes all this data that it pulled from articles, websites, online stores, Amazon, everything you could think of, which would have taken you weeks of research to do, and it reaches an ultimate conclusion about your product. And as you can see here, it says, yes, I would say this product has moderate to high potential to scale on Facebook ads. Of course, it gives you the things that you should be concerned about, but in general, this product has been fully validated by AI. Now look, I've been doing this for almost 10 years, so it only took me around 5 minutes to find a product like that. But I know for you, it's probably gonna take you a lot more time. And if I could be completely honest with you guys, finding a product is one of the hardest parts of the process. So if you want me and my team to personally help you pick your first product, I've got something for you. At the second link in the description, you can apply to join my inner circle. It's a private academy where you're gonna get direct access to me and my team of 7-figure e-commerce coaches. We are going to hold your hand through every single step of the process and ensure that you don't make any stupid mistakes. Every single member of our community has their product, store, and ads all manually approved by my coaching staff or myself. And as a result of this, the people on the inside are absolutely crushing it. Let me show you. So this is our wins channel inside of the inner circle. As you can see today, Ibrahim got his first sale. Frankie yesterday had his best day so far with over $600 in sales. Here's V. She did $1,000 in sales on her first month inside of the program. And then on her second month, she did over 10 grand in sales profitably. We've got D here getting his first $150 day. Anthony hitting $500 a day. I mean, guys, it goes on and on and on. Pretty much every single day inside of the inner circle, people are getting results just like this. And pretty much all of them have never even started a store before. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I don't promote lots of stuff, but this academy is probably my best work to date. We have hundreds of students that are absolutely crushing it. And again, most of them never even did this before. So for those that are serious about getting an edge on the competition, check the link in my description and check it out ASAP before the spots fill up. On that link, you'll be able to book a free call, talk with my team, and apply for the AI Commerce Academy to see if you're a good fit. And if you are, I'll see you on the inside. So now that we got a product, it is officially time to customize our store. I spent about 30 minutes redesigning this store with AI, and to save you guys the time of watching me do everything live, I just wanted to show you what we came up with. This is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. To be honest with you, making these changes was pretty simple. As you can see, we kept the same layout up top. We just did a logo. I generated this logo with ChatGPT, a couple different prompts, and I was able to spit it out. You could also use a tool called Canva. They have a bunch of templates on there. That's my favorite place to design logos. For the copy, meaning the text on the website, we literally did it all with AI. So let me show you how to do that real quick. So directly inside of Shopify's theme editor, you can click right here and you can have him ask you for changes. You can say, make this a better headline, keep it as 2 words. And it's gonna spit out a whole different variation of the headline that you already had. I mean, Shopify's AI has gotten so much better over the years. And when it comes to writing text on the website, it's just as good as anything else. You can see now now it gave us a new headline of Elevate Wellness. We basically use this AI tool to write all of the copy that you see all over this website. When you're building these stores, without a doubt, the most important part is the product page. This is where people are going to land when they see your ad on Facebook, and this is where I spent the most amount of effort. A video on this product page could be a 30-minute video in and of itself, but again, this was pretty much entirely generated with AI. Even these product images. Like, look, I literally said, create a high quality image of this product, put a pastel background, boom, it gave me this product image. Then I said, take this and add this result to the top left corner. Boom, it threw it on the image. Like, bro, before, if I wanted to do this, I would have had to do it all by myself in Photoshop, or I would have had to go pay some dude online like $30 per photo. This app is spitting out these photos in 30 seconds and they're fire. This image right there, boom, right there. Every image, for the most part, that you find on this website, we did directly with AI, even these customer testimonials. So it's just absolutely insane what you can do when you start using these tools the right way. I mean, we even generated customer testimonial examples with ChatGPT. So it just goes to show that this is so powerful and it's saving so much time in my process. And inside the academy, there's actually a video where click for click, I build a store just like this and show you guys every single thing. It's like an hour-long video. So obviously we're not gonna put that on YouTube. I try to keep these videos tight. But again, if you guys wanna check out that academy, the link's gonna be in the description. But now, as you can see, our store is looking proper. So we can cross off step number 4. Last but not least, we need to advertise our product so we can start making sales. And of course, AI is gonna do most of the heavy lifting for us again. Instead of stealing content from other people like most of these gurus teach, or spending days making complicated video ads, most of the time when I help people launch new stores, I always recommend using AI image ads. As you saw before, there's pretty much no limit to your creativity with them, and it ends up giving you a completely unique one-to-one piece of content for you to advertise your products with. The big problem with these stolen video ads is that most of the time you're going to be competing with other people using those exact same videos. And doing this kills your performance and also puts your account at risk of getting banned, or worse, getting you in trouble with the creators themselves. So for the most part, we really try to avoid this at all costs, especially considering how simple it is to create these ads with AI. Like, check this out. In just 5 minutes on chat, I was able to create a pretty nice looking image ad like this. And you know, if you wanted to go shoot something like this in the studio, you would need to get a model, you need to get cameras, you need to get lighting. We generated what I would consider to be a decent ad in 5 minutes, and we can spit out so many different variations of these. What I would suggest you to do is go look at your competitors and see what type of image ads they're running. Take your product, send ChatGPT the competitors' ads, and ask it to reiterate them, remix them, if you will. And you're gonna come out with something like this. And this is how I launch every single one of my products these days in 2026, and probably how I will be launching them for the foreseeable future. It's just faster, easier, and honestly, these images outperform the videos by a mile. So now that we've got our ads, the last thing that we need to do is launch and get our first sale. Once we're done with the ads, I like to launch them on Facebook ads with a $30 to $100 a day budget. It really depends on your situation. For the beginner that I mentioned in the beginning of this video, we started him at $30 a day. But if you've got some more money to spend, the more the merrier, because you're gonna get data faster and get feedback quicker. I keep the settings on Facebook super simple. We use broad targeting. It's really all about the ads themselves. So long as you made some good ads, Facebook is going to actually do the targeting for you based on what you say in your ad and in your copy. And with this strategy, pretty much without fail, I'm able to get sales on every single product that I launch. And if you follow the entire blueprint that I share with you today, you will not only be able to launch your own store, but I promise you will get a sale within the next 24 to 48 hours. Now, of course, every product is not a winner. Even if your product just gets a few sales, sometimes it isn't able to scale. This is not an issue. It's just the game. What most people do here is immediately test a new product like a slot machine. But what I teach my students to do is to read the data from Facebook and figure out how you can improve. Maybe it's a better ad, website, or offer. I know it can be hard to figure out what went wrong. That's why inside of the academy, me and my coaching staff review every single store, product, and ad from each of our members. My students inside of there are absolutely crushing, as you saw today, with new testimonials being posted every single day from people who are just getting their first sales to people who are scaling past $1,000 a day profitably. So if you want to work with me directly and start your store the right way this year, then I definitely recommend checking this out. There's a link in the description where you guys can book a free call to apply and see if you're a good fit. And if not, don't worry, because I've got a lot more free videos just like this one on the way to help you guys out. This video alone is more than enough to get you started. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.